Imagine you're on the brink of your dream career in architecture, ready to leave your mark on the world. But with countless designers chasing after the same opportunities as you do, how do you ensure your resume doesn't get lost in the shuffle? How to make sure that you stand out? We have got the answer to that by creating a compelling resume that showcases your creativity, expertise, and unique design approach. Stick around because today I'm going to reveal the insider secrets to crafting an impressive architecture resume that commands attention and sets you apart from the rest. And apart from the technical aspects, I'm also going to mention a few secret ingredients that will give your resume a kick. So watch till the end if you are keen to create a resume for your dream job. Let's dive in. Hi, I am Rajesh and welcome back to Novatr, where we empower AEC professionals like you with the latest AEC scoop right from the industry and the experts. And if this is something that hits a chord with you, then take a minute to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss an update from us. Why exactly is having a remarkable resume so crucial in the architectural world? Well, you are competing in a field where industry-specific skills are scarce. It's a landscape where mediocre portfolios and lack of industry know-how are common. This leads to a surplus of job seekers but a shortage of opportunities. So, you need to understand that your resume isn't just a piece of paper. It's your blueprint to success. This blueprint is reviewed by employers who are sure to pick out the best from the bulk. And trust me when I say this, they are going to be very picky due to the cutthroat competition out there. You need to understand that today's competitive world is divided into two different segments, the doer and the game changer. And it's you who has to decide whether you want to be a doer or a game changer. Before we get into what's what, let's understand the fundamentals of creating a successful resume. And wait, I also have a small task for you before we get started. Drop down in the comment section below any 5 skills you think are most relevant to an architect's resume. Also, keep watching till the end so that you can find out whether you got them all right or not. Let's start with the basics. Structuring your resume. You'll want to include all the essentials: your work experience, education, skills, certifications. Your resume will dictate how your interview will flow. That is, if your profile gets shortlisted. This brings me to the doer and game changer energy that we were talking about earlier. Any employer will want to know what you will be bringing to the table. If you are a doer, then you are someone who just works as per the KRAs. Key responsibility areas. Sticking to their work by the book, which to be honest, isn't working out anymore, especially in the AEC industry today. But when you are a game changer, you highlight your unique value proposition, those intangible qualities that make you an invaluable asset to any team. Whether it's your innovative approach to problem solving, creating out-of-the-box designs, your ability to thrive in a fast-paced environment, or your knack for fostering collaborative relationships, don't be afraid to showcase what makes you, well, you. If we structure your resume, it should be divided into 3 sections: career objectives, work experience, and personal information. Starting with the career objective, keep the summary short and crisp with the word count between 75 to 100 words. Secondly, work experience in reverse chronological order, starting from the most recent to your oldest experience. Note that keep your experience in bullet pointers so that it's easily readable and notable by the employer. Now, moving on to the skills that should be mentioned in your resume. You should start with your technical and software skills. Like most architects usually mention about softwares from the basics like AutoCAD and Photoshop to advanced expertise in softwares like Autodesk Revit, Model Checker, Dynamo, BIM Collaborate Pro, Navisworks, and Twinmotion, along with advanced rendering software too, like Adobe Illustrator and InDesign for more advanced 3D modeling, as these softwares are like architects' best buddies. And not to forget the booming era of AI. If you are well acquainted with AI tools and know how to fuse them well with your existing skills, you are opening a door of opportunities that are going to help you sustain for a longer period in the AEC industry today. And of course, no architect's resume is complete without a nod to sustainable design. We are talking about energy efficiency, green materials, and LEED certification, as building a better future is equally important, one eco-friendly project at a time. Last but not least, let's not forget about project management. From scheduling and budgeting to resource allocation, architects need to wear many hats. So, if you have got experience with tools like Microsoft Project or Primavera, you are good. These are just few of the major skills and software that will act as important players in your resume game. Then comes personal information, where you will share your contact information like phone number and email address, along with the details like the city you are currently residing in, date of birth, marital status, etc. But here's the thing. Organization is key. You have got to prioritize the crucial details to really grab the reader's attention. Don't go for quantity, but opt for quality projects, highlighting 5 impactful projects rather than 10 different kind of projects that are not much in pursuit to the industry standards. And speaking of attention grabbing, consider your portfolio a secret weapon. Link it to your resume, because as an architect, your portfolio will act as your visual resume. But have you ever wondered why a portfolio is an absolute must-have in the world of architecture? Let me tell you, it is your ticket to showcasing your best work to potential employers, clients, or even tutors. It's not just about flaunting your skills, it's also about telling your architectural story and highlighting your evolution as a designer. And if you are just starting out in the world of architecture, crafting your resume might seem like a daunting task, but fear not. As a fresh candidate, your focus should be on focusing your potential passion and willingness to learn. Highlight any relevant coursework, design projects, and internships you have completed during your studies. Don't forget to include technical skills like AutoCAD or SketchUp that you have gained along the way. Even if you haven't had much hands-on experience yet, demonstrate your eagerness to dive into the field and make a difference. In a field as creative as architecture, it's not just about what you know, it's also about how you present it. Whether you are a student, a junior architect, or a seasoned pro, the content and the style of your resume and portfolio will vary. It's all about tailoring it to showcase your unique journey and expertise. Note: create the layout of your portfolio in a horizontal format rather than a vertical format, so the designs and content can be accommodated in much more spacious and organized manner. We at Novatr help students as well as professionals to create their dream resume and portfolio that will not only help them bag multiple offers but also boost their scope of having a successful career. How? Upskill Building Information Modeling with Novatr's BIM Professional Course for Architects version 2.0, where you will get to master 15 plus software with their workflows and multi-select 3 capstone projects in just 9 months. And the best part, the capstone project is definitely going to be the star of your portfolio. Also, you don't get to learn from ordinary academicians. You get to learn from industry experts who are actively working at companies like Grimshaw, UN Studio, Benoit, the Levy Partnership, and more. You very well know that it's the right time to get future aligned and industry relevant. So check out the description box below right now. So as I was saying earlier, your portfolio becomes a reflection of your professional journey and accomplishments on your resume. But wait, there's more. In today's digital age, your portfolio isn't just a physical document, it's a digital masterpiece. Whether you prefer a printed portfolio or an online showcase, the goal remains the same: to wow your audience and leave a lasting impression. So here's a sample resume for you to understand better. You can see it on the screen right now. So pause this video here for a better look at all the details that we have showcased. And whilst focusing on these visuals, let's not forget the extra effort you put into boosting your career. Moving on, here's a pro tip. Simplicity is the key. Keep it clean, keep it concise, and let your work speak for itself. Whether you're using Adobe InDesign or opting for a portfolio hosting site like Behance, the goal is to create a seamless, captivating experience for your audience. Now, speaking of design, your resume should be as visually appealing as the buildings you design. Think clean layouts, eye-catchy typography, and pop of color to really make it pop. But wait, we didn't talk about the secret ingredients we mentioned in the earlier part in the video. Well, we were talking about showcasing your soft skills on the resume. Yes, these skills are equally important to keep your profile in check, because at the end of the day, you will also be an employee of a firm. From your knack for creative problem solving, seamless teamwork, effective communication, meticulous attention to detail, and ability to adapt to changing circumstances, these skills are your secret weapons when it comes to collaborating with clients and colleagues or fine-tuning every aspect of your project. And before you hit the send button, one last thing. Proofread, proofread, proofread. Trust me, nothing kills your chances faster than a glaring typo. So there you have it, folks. The recipe for crafting your standout architecture resume. It's time to roll up your sleeves, unleash your creativity, and showcase your talent to the world. And if you want to know about high-paying jobs in the AEC industry, check out this video. If you liked this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, comment on what would you like to hear next from us. Thank you for tuning in, and until then, keep designing, keep dreaming big, and let's dare to disrupt.